Hello everyone, so this is the video of our final work of the review for the work that we finished in the BMW 135i, and this one actually, to be correct, it actually is the 2009-2010 model, and we already got some videos showing how to remove the factory CD player and the air conditioner panel and this event and the top LCD screen before, so you can have a look at our YouTube channel to find that videos. And in this one we just want to show the final work. We already fit in the new 10.2-inch head unit screen, which fit perfectly into the factory location before, and everything looks beautiful, stay very firm. This one is, you know, how on the dash, very firm by 4 different screws, 2 at the front here, 2 at the back. It was a very tricky work, but it definitely was done professionally by MPX AUTOS, and we are very happy to show up the work here. We fit in the new system with the wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and USB for them as well. On the screen you see it is wireless Android Auto running with our Android phone recording this video, and we fit with the Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera, and we made the camera looks like factory fit at the back end. Also, you know, it works just beautiful. Now let's have a look at the back end here. Now you can see that is where the camera stays, so it looks like a block of the car. It definitely is. And we at the same time actually we fit in the dash camera here for the customer who actually brought in the dash camera on his own, and we fit for him. So the camera was fit perfectly at the back end, and you can see it how it works here. So we put it into the reverse, and that's the way it is. This is the deck right in front of our workshop, and you can see how super sharp, how super clear it is. Okay, you can see everything. You can see the pattern of the wooden floor at the back end. Yeah, very small pattern. It is super wide angle, and it shows every single detail day and night time, and it is adjusted carefully. And this is right at the bottom is the rear bumper, so you can see right the rear bumper bar down, just about 2 millimeters of the rear bumper at the bottom of the screen here, but that's what we adjust to the best position, so it can see down low and high enough, and super wide angle, and super clear and super detailed with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision one. So that's about, and when you press the park or when you press the drive, it come back to the front you know, screen with the previous application, which was running GPS and the Android Auto. So that's about, and yeah, the sound currently is beautiful because it is combination of the digital sound processor amplifier from the top head unit with the car's, you know, sound, premium sound as well. So it makes the sound very pleasure at this moment to listen. It's better than it was. And talking about the steering wheel control, you know, the steering wheel control here, some of them work, like 2 of this button works well, and 2 of this button works well, but 2 of this button they work for the previous system, which the older system in this car still stay on the screen. And if in case we want to access the factory menu, the previous system, we still can select from the head unit and turn it on from the head unit to access by the menu home button and the iDrive, you know, control here. But if you can see when I turn the iDrive here on the screen, okay, the system trying to play, you see that? Okay, so that's the iDrive working. Okay, so yeah, that's beautiful system, perfect. And 10.2-inch BMW 135i 1 series. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next one.